I am making a oatmeal breakfast for me and my husband. I have 2 cups of water here. I add 1/4 teaspoon table salt. Bring this water to boil. Then I add some oatmeal. I like this old-fashioned oatmeal. It really has good fiber, minerals, and good for our health. And I'll show you what I like to put on top of my oatmeal. And the reason I like oatmeal, not only because what I just said about the minerals and the fibers in this oatmeal, because over these years using oatmeal, I found out that it is a very good breakfast if you can keep eating it regularly. It can really cut down your cholesterol, bad cholesterol down. And also, for me, it has been a super food for me to keep my weight under control. So to me, this is a powerful breakfast, and it gives me many benefits. And so I hope that you can give a try and see how it works out for you. Let it cook on low heat for 5 minutes. I add some dried cranberry. Now I add some honey. I got this honey in the local area. It's really good honey. Then I add some warm milk. I use lean milk or 1% milk. This bowl of oatmeal is tasty and nutritious. Cook oatmeal this way. The oatmeal tastes very chewy, very good structure in it. Oatmeal can be delicious.